So that's one of the baby birds on the right. Out further than it's been
Getting fed by Daddy.
before. Dad's feeding him. What's the bird's name, Brent?
Which one?
The baby?
That one would be Nuba.
Nuba. There's Zeba,
And Polka.
or Ziwa.
No, Zeba.
Zeba and Polka, the mom. Oh boy, he's poked his head way out there. He's half bodied out, a third bodied out. Let's see. Oh God, is he gonna fly or something? Fall down? Oh, she pushed him.
He pushed him.
Or he pushed him.
Look, Polka's trying to get out of there.
Polka, honey, it's not going to be the first argument that your partner and your children have. There is the baby. Oh God, oh my God. I had Brent put something soft out on the floor of the cage because I've been afraid that
Oh my God.
it was going to fall to the ground. So, this is the first time it's been out like that. I'm going to scoot over just a little bit. Brent. That baby's about to tumble out of the out of its house. But it will have a soft landing.
Semi-soft.
Semi-soft.
It's not like they weigh 100 pounds.
I just don't want to get in there closer. Dad's pushing on it. Oh God,
Yeah, he's saying get back in there.
That's funny. Baby has no idea about its danger. Oh God. Daddy, look at its talon is on the bird. Bird is standing up to Daddy. Bird's standing up to Daddy. Oh, my arm hurts. Polka, calm down over there. She's trying to escape. He's trying to calm his lady down, keep his baby back in its place. Here's your food. I'll bring your food to you. You don't have to come and get it. Look at that talon. Pushing it back.
It's about time that the baby is actually leaving the nest. It's almost 4 weeks old. It's 3 weeks and one day old.
Mm-hmm.
3 weeks and 2 days. 3 weeks and 2 days old. Today.
Is Mom back in there?
No, she's up.
Oh, she's right there. Okay, I can't hold this any longer, literally.